Today's video is going to be on a Chevy 800 weight. Wasn't around for the full restoration, so I will share what I have and we'll go from there. So please enjoy. I happened to stumble across this truck when I was home visiting for Christmas. If it was in the summer, would have never seen it for all the trees and shrubs. It is a actually fairly complete truck. It hasn't been messed with and only had to replace a few body panels. So after talking to the owner, struck up a deal and bought it. About a week or so later, Dad and I went back and we ended up jerry-rigging it onto a trailer because we didn't have the greatest winch at the time. Dad did a great job of getting everything cleaned up, restored, put back together, and even allowed me to do a quick test drive when it was just the cab and chassis before he started building the cargo box. Once the 800 weight restoration was completed, it didn't stay in the fleet that long. It was actually sold off because somebody was actually looking for that particular type of vehicle at the time. So it's moved on to a new owner and is hopefully being driven around as much as I would love to driven it. So until next time, enjoy.